Good morning, David here with Weekly Week Look. Today is Friday, 19th of February. Pre-market open, 8:40 in the morning. As usual, looking at the May contract 2016. And we have that all those charts in front of us. And as usual, we'll start with the monthly. And you can see here, these are the monthly candles. And we're forming this one here as we come towards the end of February, last week of February next week. And you can see here, we're testing our trend important level here at 106.23. We've identified this as a swing low of last year. Pop down into the weekly chart, and you can see here we're just snaking along the bottom of it. Obviously crucial to Friday night's close. If we close below this and then take out this swing low 104.70, then obviously we're looking for targets below, and our first target on the monthly configuration comes in at 95.39. Pop down under the daily, and you can see here we're trying to find some reaction bounce off this level of 106.39. This looks to be constantly failing. Got some big candles here, big spreads within this formation here, and as of last night it closed at 106.20, so just below the 106.39. And let's pop down into the 4-hour chart, and you can see that I've got it in front of us here. And my indication would be that if we obviously break this level here, then obviously we're going down to initially test 103.97, and then obviously if that doesn't hold, look for a bounce back up to 105, let's say. Something on that basis. And then obviously looking for some kind of movement back down here to test. First target would be 103.40. Ultimate target would be on this configuration would be 101. Obviously a close back above the 108 would open the door back up to a bounce back up 109.78. But obviously the further we get away from that 108, and we failed to close above that all of this week and all of last week, then I think we're more likely to see this kind of action where we break through this 106. I'll just check on the daily chart. On the configuration here, you can see that we tried to break through the that's the 10-day moving average here, and we failed, and we're coming down here. Let's just circle around here. You can see last night 625. Obviously all moving averages are pointing down. We did have that spike in the volume which gave us this buying activity, which obviously took us back up to this 108, which we failed to break through. And obviously you can see the volume is dropping off now on that basis. Interesting, that's coming up 108 on the daily close chart, and that's showing up on here where we just test it through on a daily basis. So obviously that's given further indication that we're failing to hold these levels. Obviously look for Friday night's close, and then obviously if that closes below this 106.39, looks for follow through next week, and I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.